Hi everyone, today I will be showing you how to connect to your router using the IP address 192.168.10.1. So the first thing you need to check is if you're connected to the right router. So go here on the right menu, and here you can see I'm connected to my TP-Link router. It's connected successfully and secured. The second step is you need to validate your IP address. So go into your search bar on Windows and type in CMD for command prompt. Open it and now type in ipconfig and press enter. And here in the default gateway, you can see your IP address. So mark it on, copy it, open your browser, and paste the IP address in the search bar and press enter. And now you can see the login page of your router dashboard. So the standard username and password for TP-Link are admin and admin. So just type in admin as the login and also admin as the password and press enter. And here you can see the dashboard of your TP-Link router. So for example, if you want to change the IP address, you can go in the left menu here, click on network, and then click on LAN settings. And as you can see, here you can change the IP address. Once you change it, you can just click on save and then log out from the system. So that's everything for today. Hope this helps, and don't forget to subscribe.